Friends, my name is Prajakta Sambhaji Kale. Today's topic is clinical trial and history of a clinical trial. Here is the clinical trial are prospective biomedical or behavior research studies on human participant designed to answer specific questions about biomedical or behavior interventions, including new treatments such as novel vaccines, drug, dietary choice, or dietary supplements and medical devices are known interventions that warrant further study and comparison. Clinical trials generate data on dosage, safety, and efficacy. They are conducted only after they have received health authority, ethics committee, and approval in a country where the approval of the therapy is sought. These authorities are responsible for the weighting the risk benefit ratio or of the trial. Their approval and does not mean the therapy is safe or effective only. That means the trial may be conducted or there is a depending on product type and development stage investigation. Initially enroll volunteers or patients into a small pilot studies and subsequently conduct passively or progressively larger scale comparative studies in which clinical trials can vary in size and cost, and they can involve a single research center or multiple centers in one country or in a multiple countries. Clinical study design aims to ensure the scientific validity and reproducibility of the result. There is a cost for clinical trials can range into the billions or billions of dollars per approved drug. The sponsor may be governmental organization or a pharmaceutical, biotechnology or medical devices company. Certain functions necessary to the trials such as monitoring and lab work may be managed by outsourced partners such as contract research organization or central laboratory. Only 10% of all drugs started in human clinical trials become approved drugs. There is the recorded history of a clinical trial goes back to the biblical description into 5000 BC. The journey moves from dietary therapy, ligaments and lemons to drugs. After basic approach of a clinical trial was described in 18th century, in efforts were made to refine the design and statistical aspects. There is a record of information about person's health. First is a personal medical history may include information about the allergies, illness, surgeries, immunization, and result of physical exams and tests. It may also include information about medicines taken and health habits such as diet and exercise. There is a main question or a main important thing is why is a clinical history is required? Because clinical history taking provide information needed drug assessment by medical and healthcare professions who can subsequently make a diagnosis and management plan for individual patient in their care. And some of these include allergies, currently medications, past surgical history, family history, and other past complications. By providing pertinent past medical history would help us to determine whether the upcoming studies might be benefits to you or our information. And there is also main important thing is why is a clinical history important? Because medical history is important because when GPS have a more information about the patient's medical history, health professionals can deliver to the most appropriate and effective treatment or support for their concern. And there is a different There are several types of cancer clinical trials include treatment trials, prevention trials, screening trials, supportive and palliative care trials, and natural history of studies. These are all about clinical trial history. Thank you.